Take two because I didn't have my mic on. Guys, so a couple videos today, but I'm trying to toot the horn today, get some more people interested. Carvana was the talk of the day and probably GameStop, but Boeing in my Discord and Warner Brothers Discovery were the talk of the last 2 and 3 days. Okay? I'm going to show you screenshots proving that this 215 alert right here, that's 475, I let everybody know when it was 18 cents. We are talking 2,400%, guys. 475 divided by 18, so 2,600. 2,638% gains potential on that, and then you've got Warner Brothers as well, right? Like right now it's 245. It's you've got a teensy bit of red coming, so it's coming down a little bit. Warner Brothers Discovery up 866% today. Okay? And that's today. It was up massive yesterday as well. So if you pop into the Discord, here's the link, and the link is below, pinned in the description in the comments. And yes, I'm trying to get new members, and yes, it's paid. And because I can make you life-changing money. It's really that simple. You pop in the Discord. Here's the Discord. Here's yesterday. Okay. Let me just, it's probably hard for you to see, so, right. So here it is. Here's the post. You can run a, sorry, here we go. So yesterday, sorry, 2 days ago, the 6th, you can run a YOLO strangle on Boeing. Pretty cheap. I circled it. It was 18 cents. Right? As you can see here, 18 cents, 26 cents. So that means you would buy the call and you would buy the put. And you would let it ride. So you lose. So if you put $1,000 on the 195, you would have stopped yourself out around 15, 20%, 25% down. You probably wouldn't have lost all $1,000. You would have lost about 250 probably if you exercised some control. Maybe you would lose 500. Maybe you're like, whatever. And you let it drop 50% and you lose 500. Doesn't matter. Your 18 cents over here, if you put $1,000 on the 18 cent, you had 26.3x. $26,380 in 2 days from $2,000. Sorry, from 1,500, right? From 1,500. 1,000 on the calls, you lost 500 on the puts, so your cost is $1,500. 1,758 percent. 1,758% net. Okay, so you could have made 26 grand if you were like, had a decent sized account and you did like 5 grand, 5 grand. Okay, you lose 2 grand on one side, maybe 1 grand, 2 grand, 3 grand on the one side. You're like 125 grand on the other side, guys. Your net is 120 G. Even if you lost all 5, if you lost 100% on 5 grand on the puts, you're at 125 grand on the calls. You made 120 grand in 2 days from 10 G. This is, and I have the screenshots, I have the pictures, I have the discussion. I've had this for a very long time. I have 52,000 posts almost. Okay, I'm in here all the time, guys. Premium, they have access to my DMs if you want to talk to me. But I mean, I've been on Boeing all day for 2 straight days. Boeing. Warner Brothers Discovery. Like, it doesn't end. I'm talking about stocks no one else is talking about. They're just not talking about it. It's that simple. It's that, like, you want to talk, everyone probably wants to talk about NVIDIA, or I don't know. I mean, we made a killing on Disney the other day. Disney. Carvana's hot today. I did a video on Carvana. The money is there, guys, but it's in the Discord. I have severely cut back on my YouTube, and I borderline don't go live anymore because it's hard to do live and get all these alerts for everybody else and try to help these people become wealthy and successful and free from it all, because that's what it means. I want you guys to be free from the 9-to-5 grind. I want you to be self-sufficient. If I'm gone on a 2-day vacation or a 1-week vacation, you know what to do. I can pop in. I can let you know. I can chart. I can do all this stuff for my members. But it's like at the end of the day, I'm trying to help people know and understand how to trade. A lot of people still don't even understand that. They just kind of FOMO into these things and buy and hold. They don't even play downside. Like if you played Amazon downside yesterday, guys, you were up 1,000%. You know, it was a big day for Amazon on the downside. Today the market, you know, the SPY is kind of flat, but a lot of stocks on the market are pumping and squeezing, and you know, Carvana is one of them. Boeing is kind of one of them. It rebounded off that bogus news, right? Where they said we're gonna fix. So what had happened is news came out that some parts were gonna ground their planes, and then right away they said no, it's 2 weeks fix, guys. It's a 2 weeks fix. Boom. In any other business, 2 weeks would suck. You might get hello, yep, cancel the order. It's gonna take too long. I'm gonna go in somewhere else. We're talking about 737 jets, $60 billion orders and stuff. You know, no one calls Boeing up and cancels. Their only competition is Airbus, and the two of them aren't competing because they make their own planes. They have their own designs and their own uses. There is no competition. They are literally a monopoly. No one else is getting. You can't call in and get it anywhere else is my point. So the second they address the problem, the stock pumps. If they have a real and true and significant issue, the stock will drop. You will play that downside, and you will continue to play the downside but again, the best place to find this kind of information and to get in the know on these kinds of stocks is my Discord. I think I said it, but I don't know. But like, look, man, Meet Kevin started with one house, and then 2, and then 4, and then 8, 20. Stock market, governor, ETF, buys and sells land and stuff, and properties, and whole neighborhoods and stuff. He didn't stop. Elon Musk, he didn't stop. So any haters out there that are like, why are you trying to charge for a Discord? Why do you even, if you're doing so well, why do you need this Discord? Because that's really the only comment I ever get. No one successful just stops. They want to keep it going. But also, I want to help other people. It's that simple. There isn't many legit people out there looking to help. There's a couple of guys that are trying to save you from a recession that is, you know, apparently coming, but so far hasn't. And so far this whole year, since January, the market is just pumped. So if you were playing puts on a lot of stuff, you know, like long dated, you got wrecked. You know, you really need to be basically day trading right now, because at any given moment, stuff starts popping off, news happens, and really news is the big factor here on a lot of these stocks, guys. It's not the bigger picture. The bigger picture is doom and gloom. I agree with that. But the SPY's 428. It was 330 last year. It's 428. Tesla was 101. It's like 430. I don't even know. I didn't even check today because it's getting gross. 231. It's getting disgusting. I'm like, what is even this? What is it now? Up 400%? 125% today. Oh man, they can't even sell the cars unless the government, aka you, and they dig into your pocket. Unless they are getting $7,500 for every car, they can't even sell them. And it's up from 101, guys. Oh my Lord. But that's what I'm saying. If you believe the doom and gloomers and the naysayers, and I'm a perma bear pretty much because I can see the writing on the wall. But I can still say, you know what? Doesn't matter what my overall thesis is. Day-to-day stuff matters. Boeing news matters. Warner Brothers getting a new CEO matters. You know, making lots of changes. That all matters. It all matters. You got to be a day trader right now, guys. The buying and holding, I'm sorry, but that's just like that was like a one-time thing during the lockdowns. Like pretty much, I don't think that's just definitely not the way anymore. Hopefully this video inspires you to get into the Discord. At least try it for a month. You know, you don't make money, okay, leave. It's 50 cents a day, for Christ's sakes. It's not like I'm trying to charge $2,000. Some people got courses they want $200 times 4 payments. That's all. And then you've got other people like me, Kevin, trying to charge $1,200 just for his YouTube chat. And he probably doesn't even say hi to you. So, $20. Premium is $69. And that's got access to direct messages if you need to like be messaging me, because I can only message so many people in a day. So, but I mean that price, as soon as I made it that price from 100, membership was like boop. So I mean that's the price. That's a good price. But I mean, you know, you want to dip your feet in, get them wet. It's just $20 standard membership, 50 cents a day. If you can't make that, you either suck at trading or you're not listening or you're not learning. I have a welcome package I'll give you when you sign up. Gives you all the info, like where you need to go, what you need to do, how to sign up to my alerts. Basically, whatever, it's gonna jumpstart you to becoming successful in the Discord. And then also there's some content that's already there that you should probably like 99, like not probably, but I would say you must watch, but you should definitely be watching. That's all there. Premium members, by the way, I forgot to mention, I have classes. I've done weekend classes. I have these classes, and they are pre-recorded. So not pre-recorded. They're currently recorded, and Premium has access to those. So I have about 7 right now, and they range from like 2 to 3 hours, and it's like Q&A. Members come in, they ask questions. It's just for paying people and Premium. But Premium has access to all the videos that are recorded, so that's there too. And like everybody's giving me good feedback on that stuff. So if you're looking to up your game, guys, for real, this is the Discord to be. And hopefully we can get you guys free from it all.